Today we're showing you a Kubota BX2370. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a LA243 quick attach front loader. Also has the 54-inch belly mower, and then also has a 51-inch front mount snowblower that goes with the machine as well. So you're buying the whole package is one money. The bucket here is not quick attach, but the loader again is quick attach. 4-foot bucket. The cutting edge does show a little wear, but it's still a good bucket. Trade this tractor in from a fellow in New York who was trading this on a tractor loader backhoe, so he no longer had need for this unit. It's a very clean tractor. It does have a couple scuffs on the hood, just from normal use. No known issues with the tractor. Has just over 300 hours on it. It's like the current hours are 315.9. Has a hydrostat transmission. Obviously it's four-wheel drive. Has a 3-point hitch and 540 PTO back here. It's a super clean little tractor. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. Also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us at masttractor.com. So this is the snowblower that goes with that tractor, the BX2370. So you can see this blower has had some use. Certainly not a new snowblower, but is certainly still functional. We did not hook this machine up to the tractor, so basically going off of the word of the guy that had the tractor. So just so you're aware of that, we have not hooked the snowblower up to the unit. So everything you see here is what we have. Believed to have all the mounting parts to go with it.